This snippet outlines the purpose of the Code Video app, which converts source code into narrated videos. It starts by setting up the environment, ensuring that the output can handle special characters, especially on Windows. The debug logging feature is introduced, allowing developers to track the app's operations, which is essential for troubleshooting. Finally, it defines a framework data class to manage different programming frameworks and their characteristics, setting the stage for framework detection later in the app. In this snippet, we define a couple of helper functions and a main function to detect the framework used in a project. The _rule function is a decorator that registers rules for the framework, while _read reads the content of a file, handling any exceptions gracefully. The detect_framework function is crucial because it inspects the project directory to identify the dominant framework by checking for specific files and dependencies. It looks for indicators like package.json, pubspec.yaml, and cargo.toml, which helps the app understand the project structure and tailor its behavior accordingly. This is important for providing accurate tooling and support for developers working with different frameworks. This snippet checks for various frameworks and programming languages in a project directory. Depending on the presence of specific files or conditions, it returns a framework object that includes details like the framework name, language, file extensions, entry hints, and notes for explanation. For instance, if it detects a Next.js project, it sets up the relevant configurations, including hints for where the entry point files are located. This is crucial for guiding developers on how to navigate and understand the structure of their application, making it easier to work with different technologies within the fw.name app. This snippet defines a fallback mechanism for identifying a framework when no specific markers are found in the code. It returns a generic framework with basic properties, which is crucial for handling files that don't fit into known categories. Next, the _framework_from_extension function maps file extensions to their corresponding programming languages and frameworks. This is important because it allows the app to recognize the type of code it's dealing with, enhancing its ability to process files correctly. The collect_source_files function gathers source files from a specified directory while excluding certain directories like node_modules and .git. This ensures that the app focuses only on relevant files, improving efficiency and reducing clutter. Finally, the function prioritizes files based on their relevance as entry points and their directory depth. This scoring system helps the app select the most important files, making it easier to manage and analyze the codebase effectively.